Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. J's channel. Recently, I had the opportunity to visit New York City, so I rented a Airbnb. It's a guest house near Central Park North, and I paid $1,000 for 5 nights. Let's go check it out. So now let's check out the rest of the building. So right now here I'm walking upstairs to the 4th floor. And the good thing about the 4th floor, or the 2nd floor, is that they have their own shower and washroom, right? So it is a great feature. So you can see here, this is the room with the toilet and the sink, the wash basin. And beside that, they had the shower. On my floor, which is the 3rd floor, there's only a shower. There's no toilet. So every time I have to go to number 1, I would have to either go upstairs or I would have to go downstairs, which is quite inconvenient. I wish I knew when I had booked the room so I can, have better access to the washroom right here. So that's the 2nd floor. And the 2nd floor does not have a separate shower and a toilet, right? So it's all in one. So the people that are on the 2nd floor, they would have to wait, or they would have to go upstairs or downstairs to use the shower or the toilet. But overall, it was a great experience, and the prices for the guest house is much more economical in comparison to hotels. So but I would, for next time, the next trip, I would visit another guest house just to compare, or maybe even a 3-star hotel just to compare the prices. So overall, what do you guys think? Is it a good deal? Let me know in the comments below. So one thing I would like to add is that the location of the guest house is really convenient. We're just 1 or 2 minutes away from the subway station, which gets us to, you know, Times Square, Chinatown, Koreatown, pretty much. So we can save a lot of money on Uber trips, right? Because Uber in New York City is very expensive. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.